This is Little Bit, who's walking towards me.
Little Bit. This is Sharky.
This is Sharky.
Okay, boys and girls, get ready for Psycho.
Did you get the ball, Little Bit? Get him. Yeah. It's like WWE SmackDown. Little Bit versus the Shark.
Who is winning? Yes, I'm for the shark.
And
Shark.
1, 2,
Shark is
3.
going
Up.
down. Woo!
Man. At least she's not getting the ball down his throat.
Here's your ball. Don't forget.
She may be mentally challenged, but she is entertaining.
She's tough. One tough bird. Woo! Sharky, is that you? Woo! It's George St. Pierre, Ultimate Fighter. Go! Bit, 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 bit.